Having continued doing the strap, we've now gone from here, done 13 points to that one, that's 13, and we're now going to go up there and spiral round so that it's the same clockwise direction as this one, except that this one's coming down, the one that we're going to finish is going up. So from here, lift this up, and we now spiral from the outside and make this end spiral go clockwise this direction. Yeah. You can see the shape coming out. You can see this big hexagon here. We now have to make this end turn up into here and stop there. So we continue that large hexagon. One more from the outside. Now the extension upwards. And that's the spiral. If you look here, the original spiral was here, finishing here. Now this other spiral finishes on the opposite side, so that when you put the two together, they will interlock at this corner. Now that's the finished spiral on this side. And to end it, we've got to fold different parts away. Start off by folding this one downwards, and this one across. Okay. Cut off this corner. It's a little bit more trim. This one fits into here, so we're going to cut it off there. This one comes across here, and this is the one that ties it together. It needs to go into here and come up there. And this one goes into here. Come up there, and that will act as a lock. And that holds all those corner pieces in place. Bring it round here, and you can go into this side. Come up over the other side. And when you do that, That locks everything in place so that you now have a nice end for this spiral. Then we trim off that bit. And that is the watch strap from end to end. And how it works is we attach the watch here by putting the pins through. We bring the two ends together, and you can see that the spiral ends are on opposite sides, and when you lock it together, it's a spiral in a spiral, and that locks the watch strap on your wrist. If I do it without the watch, this is how it goes, here to here, and then these two corners interlock. And that is the strap with the watch here and the lock mechanism there. And that's very strong, it won't come out. If you have trouble finding this kind of plastic strap, which is normally used for delivery of papers and magazines, you can always use drinking straw. Drinking straw is about the same width as the strap. The difference, of course, is that drinking straws come only in short lengths. What you can do is when you come to a fold, push one straw inside the other and make sure that it locks at a corner. Every time you do that, that will lock the straw in place for the next one. You don't need glue or anything, you just need to put one straw into the other. And when the straw overlaps, you do a fold so that there's a double layer there. And that fold will hold one straw to the next straw and allow you to continue with extra straws. You can even have different colors, but the folding pattern is the same to do the watch strap. If you make this long enough, you can of course make a belt. You might want to start with a white belt, work your way up to a yellow belt, and finally to a black belt.